Hey, I'm Derek from the Kixie sales team. Welcome to Kixie Academy. Today, we're going to walk you through your profile settings. Things like voicemail, call routing, SMS templates, and voicemail drop, so you can customize your setup and get to work faster. Let's get started. First thing you'll want to do is navigate to your My Profile section of the Kixie.com dashboard. Under My Profile, you'll find Inbound Call Flow. Go ahead and click here and click this Edit All button. This is where you could set up your different call routing as well as your own personal voicemail message for when someone is calling you and needs to leave you a voicemail. So we'll start with a voicemail message. At the bottom here, you'll notice I'm using an MP3, but you can also do a text-to-speech or you can record it live on the website. Text-to-speech will allow you to type in anything you want, and that's the audio that'll be generated. Record Now allows you to record your own voice directly here on the website and save that for the voicemail message. MP3 is the best version in my case, and it allows me to just upload a file I already have, and that's the audio that'll be played. Now we're going to talk about call routing. So you'll notice in this middle section here, we have a few different devices to ring. You can have it ring your Kixie Power Call app, which is the Google Chrome extension, and that's standard. But if you do want your phone calls to also ring to maybe your cell phone or your desk phone, you can do that as well by selecting an external phone number. In this case, I have an external number here that I want my calls to be forwarded to. I'm going to select that and all the calls will go there as well. To add a new external number, you go into this forwarded device section and you can add a number or you can edit the one you already have. So if this is your cell phone number and you want all of your Kixie calls to go there, or maybe it's a desk phone that you have and you want all of your calls to go there, you can do so by selecting this forwarded device. Next, we're going to talk about SMS templates. You'll notice in my profile, I already have a few different SMS templates saved. If I need to add a brand new one, I click this Add button here, give it a name, call it whatever you want, and go ahead and generate the message you want. In this case, I'm going to say hello, and I want to have a personalized token added to this as well. So I can go into this section on the right-hand side and type in first name. This way I can pull the first name directly from the CRM that I'm connected with. So anytime I use this template, it'll have that personalized feel. Hello, first name. This is Derek. Thanks for booking a demo. Go ahead and hit save. And now this template is one of the ones I can choose when I'm ready to send it out to a customer. And the last piece here, we have voicemail drop. Voicemail drop is great if you do encounter someone's voicemail box. Instead of waiting for the greeting to finish, waiting for the beep, and then manually stating your own voicemail, you can just drop in a pre-recorded message. You'll see I already have a few different ones saved, but if I want to add a brand new one, I click this add button here. I can call it whatever I want, in this case, VM drop. And then I can either do an MP3 file or I can record it live directly on the website. Once you record the message, you hit save, and that will be saved as one of your messages. So again, anytime you encounter someone's voicemail box, you can click one of these buttons and automatically drop in this pre-recorded message. That's your profile toolkit. Simple to set up, powerful when it's dialed in. Questions? Reach out to your dedicated account rep and we'll take care of you. Thanks for watching Kixie Academy. Have a great day.